All right, so let's look at this question on product rule. So we're given that y is equal to x to the power of 3 sine 3x, and we're asked to find the y dx. Now we know that this is in a form of product, all right, uv, because it takes x to the power of 3 times sine 3x to give you x to the power of 3 sine 3x, all right. So we are given that y is equal to x to the power of 3 sine 3x. Of course, this is our u, and this is our what? Our v, all right. So now what's going to happen is that u is equal to x to the power of 3, and then we have that v is equal to what? Sine 3x. Now don't forget that the y dx, all right, the y dx, that's the formula for product rule, is what? V du dx plus what? U the v dx, all right. So now what's going to happen is that we differentiate this, we differentiate this. So differentiate u with respect to x, we're going to have du dx as equal to 3 times this. That gives us 3x to the power of what? 2, because we're going to subtract 1 from this. Now we want to differentiate sine 3x. Now we know for a fact that if you differentiate, if you're given y is equal to sine x, a function, and you differentiate it, your dy dx is going to be equal to what? Cos x. But that does not mean that if you have sine 3x and you differentiate it, you're going to have cos 3x just like you have it here. No, it's going to be a different ball game. All right. So I'm going to be trickish here, and I'm not going to do everything, but you can watch a video on chain rule. All right, chain rule method of differentiation. It will teach you how to differentiate it the proper way. But because of time, I'm going to use the trick. Now this is the trick. Now the trick is, you have sine 3x. This is an algebraic function 3x inside a trigonometric function sine. So you're going to differentiate inside you have 3x, so differentiate 3x. You're going to have, so dv dx is going to be, if you differentiate 3x, you're going to have what? 3 multiplied by, if you differentiate sine as a whole, you're going to get cos. Then you write the same cos 3x, the same function inside. So finally, your dv dx is equal to what? 3 times this gives us 3 cos 3x, all right. So this is the trick to differentiate that. So finally, our dy dx is going to be equal to what? Following the formula, what? Following the formula, this formula, v du dx plus u dv dx. So that's going to be what? V. Now what is our v? Our v is what? Sine 3x multiplied by what? Du dx. What is our du dx? X to the 3, 3x to the power of what? 2, all right, plus, now what? U dv dx. What is our u? Our u is what? X to the power of 3, all right, multiplied by, what's our dv dx? Our dv dx is 3 cos what? 3x. So finally, our dy dx is going to be equal to what? Now multiplying, it becomes, this times it gives us 3x squared sine 3x plus this times this gives us what? 3x to the power of 3 cos 3x, all right. So this is going to be our answer, all right. So this is our answer, all right. We can also decide to factorize, all right. So or since the y dx is given to me as what, or we found it to be what? 3x squared what? Sine 3x plus what? 3x to the power of 3 cos 3x. I can decide to factorize this. Now if you notice, 3 is common on both sides and x squared is also common on both sides. So I can also factorize this as 3x squared into bracket what? Sine 3x plus, now you'll be left with 1x here, x cos 3x. So this is going to be our what? Our answer, all right. So the y dx is also equal to this or this. So any of this is an answer. Now make sure you watch more videos on this, because I'll be uploading more videos on this. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I love you.